Hi, it's Dan from UK Moneyman. What I want to talk to you about today is interest serviced later life mortgages. Now, I'm shying away slightly from saying retirement interest only mortgages because the field has got a lot wider. Okay, so retirement interest only mortgage is a loan. It's a mortgage like any other that you've had. It's secured against your house and it's serviced by your retirement income. So what the lender will do is they will look at your pension income, they will look at how sustainable that is, and that will determine how much they are prepared to lend you and on what terms. Now just be aware, especially if you're borrowing as a couple, that they will look at the lowest income. Now quite often what that means is that they would look at the worst case scenario. So if one of you dies, what income would the other one be left with? Now, this can seem quite a harsh piece of underwriting, but actually, when you're thinking about your borrowing into later life, it's a really important discussion to have between yourselves, because I speak to an awful lot of people who are entering into retirement with quite a comfortable income between the two of them. When you start asking about what would happen in the event of the death of one, you find out that the other was going to have to do some serious belt tightening. And you know, we need to be able to plan for a contingency at that point. Okay, so retirement interest only mortgage designed to last for the rest of your life. There are other options available that are designed to last for a particular amount of time. Now these don't have to just be interest only. You can do repayment mortgages. You know, we can do repayment mortgage up to age 90 if your income will satisfy it. So it's a really good way to minimise the interest that you pay over time. A lot of people come to us with a fixed idea that a lifetime mortgage is the only way to go, and that's largely due to the media and the amount of advertising that pushes that as the solution for the over 55s. Now it may be that that is right for you, but you know, if that's right for you, it's also available as an interest serviced option. So if you pay the interest as you go along, you don't have this compound interest effect where interest is charged on interest and the loan increases and really increases hugely in the later years if it's not serviced. So retirement interest only is a much bigger area than it used to be. It doesn't even have to be interest only. It's just later life lending. So have a chat with us. Talk to us about your situation, about what your hopes are, whether you want to downsize, whether you want to upsize, whether you want to, you know, buy a property with family. All of those things are really crucial for us to know so we can fit this mortgage to you that's designed to last for the rest of your life with as much flexibility as we can so that it can react to changes that you might be aware of now, but you might not.